No, I can't do this now. I'm on air. Live? Fine. We'll do this live. No, I said we'll do it live! Theories flocking in from scientists all around the world stating God has found an iPhone and is currently playing Angry Birds with Steve Jobs. Is iOS 5 in heaven? Excuse me. Current speculation is that his game is now becoming our reality. We're going to take you live to the streets to get an update in Charlotte with Bob McGee. Bob, how you doing down there?
Thank you, Jim. You can see behind me, the birds continually fly into the buildings. We're not quite sure yet if it's some sort of an alien attack, terrorist, or some sort of scientific experiment gone horribly, horribly wrong. We're going to go to the street, get some opinions from people down there, and see what they're thinking about it.
There's like these birds in the street, and they were in the air, and I got everybody. I was like, yo, there's birds in the air, but nobody was like believing me. I'm glad you guys showed up, because no one was, but it's a big deal. They're not cool. We got like elections and presidents going on right now, and this isn't what we need as a country.
Okay, everything's completely out of control. Everything's burning. Just get out of town. Get out of town. Oh, come on, Billy Monster.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, bird is most certainly the word. Hide your kids, hide your wives, because they are beaking everybody out there. We're going to get to more on that later. But right now, the talk about occupying Wall Street is... no? Okay, we got some bigger news tonight. Facebook. Have you ever wanted to surf it while on Facebook? We're going to go in depth with that with Susan tonight, right after the weather. Hey Joe, how are we doing on that?